In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload custom screenshots to Steam. Before we do anything else, make sure your Steam client is fully up to date. This prevents odd upload errors and ensures the interface matches what you'll see on your screen. If you haven't updated in a while, give Steam a moment to download the latest version and restart. It's a quick step that saves troubleshooting later. Next, launch any game you own and take a quick dummy screenshot by pressing F12. That's the default Steam hotkey for screenshots, and you should see a small confirmation pop up in the corner when it's captured. This temporary image is helpful because it shows you the filename format Steam uses for that game, which can matter when you're organizing or matching images. Don't worry about the content of this screenshot, it's just a placeholder so Steam recognizes that game's screenshot library. Once you've done that, head back to Steam's main window and go to the top menu. Open View, then choose Recording Screenshots. This is the hub where Steam manages your captured images and where you'll point Steam to your custom image. Navigate to the game you just used and select your custom image so Steam can associate it with that title. For best results, use common formats like PNG or JPG, and try to keep the resolution close to what the game outputs so it looks natural on your profile and in the community feed. If Steam references filename patterns, use the format you noted earlier to keep everything consistent. With your image selected, click the share icon. Choose Share on Steam, then add an optional title and description. A short, clear title helps others understand what they're looking at, and a brief description can add context, like the scene or inspiration behind the image. When you're happy with it, confirm the upload. You'll see it process for a moment, and then it's live on your Steam profile. To view it, open your profile and look under the game screenshot section. If you want it to stand out, add it to your showcases, such as screenshots or artwork, so it appears prominently on your profile. This is a great way to highlight custom designs, photo mode captures, or concept art you want to share with friends and the community. That's it, simple, clean, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.